Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts Winch Guard for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon with the steel bumper option. Now this guard was designed exclusively for the Rubicon steel bumper, and it installs quickly and easily with no drilling or modification to your bumper required using 4 of the existing T45 Torx bolts. Now, if you've got a winch installed in your bumper, it does add a little protection there for you. It also complements the look of the bumper really well, and just overall it looks great on the front end of the Wrangler. Not only that, but it's a great place to add light mounting brackets, also available from Mopar, so that you can mount up some auxiliary lights on your front bumper here. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a Mopar Jeep Performance Parts Winch Guard, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the Winch Guard, you can leave those for us below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.